Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to do a handling video and I'm going to show off some of our 2024 babies that we still have. This video idea comes from a new and dear customer of ours from our MorphMarket store, Miss Lisa. So she's interested in purchasing another snake from us and wanted to see a couple of them and how they handled. And I figured, why not make a YouTube video? So I'm going to show you all of the 2024 babies that we still have in-house today. Hang on. This is Pumpkin, and she was born in October of 2024. She's doing really well. You can see she handles really nicely. She's really, really curious and beautiful. She's got these really pretty oranges that come up. And so these colors will stay lighter than a normal ball python, but her oranges will fade as she gets bigger. But she's still very stunning and very curious and has been handled a lot. So she's would make a fantastic pet. So yeah, so this is Pumpkin. See, very curious. And with my little babies, I like to touch their heads ever so slightly every once in a while, come up underneath. So she's not very head shy at all. This is her sister, Candy Corn. So she also hatched out in November of 2024. And Candy Corn is a yellow belly, which gives a whole lot of cool busy pattern right here at the belly of the snake. She's really, really cool. And I love this little moon shape on her right here. It's like a moon or like a pirate kitty or something. I don't know. I think it's adorable. So again, she's also very friendly and very easy to handle and hold. She's more brown where her sister Pumpkin was more orange. But this is Candy Corn, and she is also on our MorphMarket, and she would make a fantastic pet. She's very sweet too. Oh, let me see if I can show her. She's got this little spot on her nose. Little brown spot. I think it's adorable. But yeah. So this is Miss Candy Corn. I'm going to show you, she's exploring a little bit more. She was moving. So I wanted to show you guys that. Again, she's a little bit more, doesn't like her head being touched, but I just get her used to it. Just do little taps. But she's a curious girl. She does real good. So this is Halo, and she is also their sister. So she was also hatched in October of 2024. Let me see. Okay, you can still see her. That light's shining in my glasses. So she's also 2024 baby. Her patterning is just stunning. She's a banana orange dream. She's very pretty. And you can actually, she got her name. I didn't go with the candy theme name with her because you could see Halo spelled out in her pattern. So you have the H. See, she doesn't care. This is the H right here. There, A is really pronounced. There's the A, the L, and the O. So, Halo. And yeah, she doesn't care. I can touch her head. She doesn't care. She's a very good girl. So that's Miss Halo. Oh, hello, love. But yeah, she's great. I can touch her. She's good. She eats great. All the babies eat great. But yeah, we're just showing off how they handle. That's what Miss Lisa had questions about. And then the last but not least baby that we have left over from 2024 is Patchy. Now, Patchy was born in June of 2024, so he is a yearling. He's a year old now. I haven't decided if I was going to keep him. I wanted to keep him, but because he has a paradox spots. So these spots on his head and on his neck are like birthmarks or freckles for people. You cannot breed for them. It's not like a gene. It's just random and it pops up. So these are his paradox spots. And in these spots, his coloration is that of a normal ball python instead of a banana ball python. So he's a banana pinstripe, but I can't keep them all. And so I have him on my MorphMarket. He is absolutely one of my favorites, and he is so, so sweet. So again, I held him a bunch. He is absolutely fine with his head being touched. He is super sweet and curious, and just a gem. Just a gem. So yeah, he's a hard one to part with. So, but this is Patchy. And those are our snakes from 2024. They're all listed on MorphMarket. We've had 3 clutches so far this year in 2025. And next week, I'll do a video on one of them. And it is going to be a double het G-stripe clowns with Russo and Spot Nose in the mix. So I'll show those babies off. And I also have 2 more clutches that we'll probably do the next 2 weeks once they eat enough meals. And then I will sex them and tell you guys the genetics of them on the video, and we'll be able to show those off too. So that's what's going on. I'd like to do a video every week, and so this week was a holding video, a handling video to show off our snakes, some of the snakes we have on MorphMarket. I'll be doing a couple shorts to show off the other ones as I list them, and we'll be doing clutch reveal videos where I sex them and tell you the genetics and show off the parents and all of that. And our first one of those will be next week. So stay tuned. Thank you guys, and have a great day. Stay blessed. Know that you're loved. Go have an adventure. Get outside. Touch some dirt. Till next time.